Welcome back students. Today we will do the question answer. So E part diagram based question. So you have to see the diagram. Label part 1, 2, 3. So first part is lamina, second part is midrib and third part is the vein. Lamina, midrib and these are the veins. Second, what type of venation is shown in the given leaf? That is the reticulate venation, because in reticulate venation there is no proper arrangement of the veins on the leaf blade. Third, name the modification of leaf in onion. So it is the scale leaves. Now F part, give one important difference between the following parallel and reticulate venation. So parallel venation, in parallel venation veins are arranged in parallel row to each other. Second, veins do not form a network. Example, banana and grass. You can write more examples also. Second is reticulate venation. In reticulate venation, veins are irregularly distributed without a definite pattern. An example, rose and mango. Second is difference between simple and compound leaf. Simple leaf, a simple leaf has a single leaf blade. Example, banana. And compound leaf, a compound leaf has a leaf blade which is divided into many parts. Example, coriander. Third is difference between tendrils and spines. Tendrils are modified leaf which coil around a nearly object and provide support to the plant to climb up. Example, pea plant. And Spines are modified leaves which reduce to the thin and pointed structure to protect the plant from animals and reduce loss of water in plants. Example, cactus plant. Now G part. So very short answer questions. Students, you have to write all the question answers with pencils and you have to write the questions. I have not written the questions, but you have to write the question, then you have to write the answers, and you should write neatly in your classwork copy. So first question is, where does photosynthesis occur in plants? Photosynthesis occur in leaves. Second question, how are leaves modified in a cactus plants? In cactus plants, leaves are modified to spines. Spines means they are the pointed structures. Third, name the structure that help a pea plant to climb. So tendrils help a pea plant to climb and it gives support to the pea plant. Fourth one, name an insectivorous plant and how it is leaf modified. Pitcher plant is an insectivorous plant. You can write Venus flytrap also. Its leaf is modified into main, pitcher and leaf. And if you are writing about the Venus flytrap, so you can write the leaf is modified into the lobes. Next, fifth question, why is China rose leaf is a simple leaf but rose leaf is a compound leaf? Because China rose has an undivided leaf blade but rose has divided leaf blade or the leaflets. So student, here you can see China rose has a single leaf blade which is not divided, but in the rose leaf you can see leaflets are divided. Sixth question is, what is venation? Arrangement of veins in a leaf is called venation. Seventh question, give an example each of parallel venation and reticulate venation. So parallel venation, banana, you can write other examples also, and reticulate venation, mango, you can write other examples also. Now the eighth part, give the special modification that occur in bryophyllum leaf. So vegetative propagation is the special modification that occur in bryophyllum leaf.